At the end of the last video, we showed how we can create a mobile version of our dashboard in the Power BI service, but we can also create mobile-friendly reports in either the web editor or Power BI desktop. In this video, we'll show you how. First, we'll start in Power BI desktop. You can follow along for this if you want. We've got our countries report open, and we want to create a mobile-friendly version. To do so, let's go to the View tab on our ribbon and select the button named Phone Layout. When we do this, Power BI Desktop switches to a view very similar to what we saw in the last video with our mobile dashboard. We have the silhouette of a phone in our design surface, tabs along the bottom for our different pages in the report, and the pane on the right side of the screen displays the visuals on each page. Let's drag our tree map onto the phone first, followed by our map, our table, and finally our area slicer. We won't worry about our continent slicer. The tree map can interactively filter the mobile report page the same way the slicer can, so the slicer is a little redundant. Next, if we go to page 2 and 3, we can see their visuals. So we can create a mobile report that is multiple pages in length using the visuals that we already added to our normal report. We'll stick with a single page report for this version. To leave the phone layout and return to the desktop layout, we'll just click the phone layout button one more time, and that takes us back. Then we'll go to the Home tab and click our Publish button and publish our report to our shared workspace. Now we'll open our browser and go back to the Power BI service. We can't view the mobile report from here because everything in our browser is displayed in the non-mobile format, but we can demonstrate how to create a mobile report using the web editor. So let's open our personal finance report. Go to the More Options menu and select Open to open the web editor. Once we're inside the web editor, we can find the Mobile Layout button on our gray toolbar. We'll click it to jump into the Mobile Layout editor, which looks identical to the editor in Power BI Desktop. We'll simply drag a few visuals onto our phone layout, then go back to the web layout and select File Save to save our report back to the shared workspace. Simple as that. Now we need to see our reports on our phone or tablet, right? In the next video, I'll introduce you to the Power BI mobile app.